Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by inserting an active DDoS SIM and powering your iPhone off and on. This forces the carrier registration. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular to confirm the line appears and cellular data is on. Next, check the APN. Go to Cellular Data Network and make sure DDoS values are set. If not, enter the provider's APN, username, and password. This first setup ensures your phone can send and receive mobile data needed for tethering. Now enable Personal Hotspot in Settings. Flip the switch and create a recognizable SSID and strong password so only devices you trust can join. Choose how you'll connect: Wi-Fi for multiple devices, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for the most stable link. Make sure Wi-Fi calling or low data mode aren't interfering. Disable them if tethering fails. Also verify cellular data remains enabled. Turning off data will disable the hotspot, even if finish by connecting your laptop or tablet to the iPhone's hotspot using the SSID and password you set. For best speed, plug in via USB and trust the computer when prompted. Once connected, monitor data usage and carrier limits to avoid throttling. If a device can't join, try toggling airplane mode on the iPhone, restart both devices, and if needed, reset network settings. That reset clears incorrect APN or Wi-Fi credentials and usually resolves persistent hotspot failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.